Hey guys, a while back ago, I went shopping a very far a place, but maybe if I show you guys can understand a little bit better. And I found this right here. Let's bring it up a bit more, and then let's open it up. So this is the certificate, and here is the Zippo lighter and a case, a knife. So we can put it down, and I can take out the Zippo lighter and show you guys right here. So this one right here is number 458 out of 500, and it looks really nice. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, I think it actually has some tape. Zippo celebrates 65 years and has some tape, but I'll leave it because it is a limited. And over here is a knife, and then it also says 458 out of 500. And yeah, I think it's really a nice. Here's the other side. The wood, as you can tell, looks really good. Let me just make sure I have a microfiber because of my hands. They leave a lot of fingerprints. But yeah, and it was also a bit cheap. It's not like super expensive. I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but it was nice to be able to find something that is so limited. And then here is made with pride at Midwest Trophy Manufacturing. And yeah, that is that. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.